Good morning, my dear student. Welcome back in online class of Bal Sadhana Group of Institution. Myself, Parveen Chaudhary, TGT Social Science in Bal Sadhana Public School, Gudagaon ji. Yesterday we discussed about the Maratha Empire and about the Maratha history. Today we discussed about the two independent ruler of South India. First Vijayanagar and second Bahmani Empire. Vijayanagar Empire was founded by two brothers named Harihar and Bukka. Before the establishment of Vijayanagar Empire, they were the feudatory of Hoysal, king of Warangal. And at the time of Delhi Sultanate, specifically during the Tughlaq dynasty, during the time period of Tughlaq dynasty, Vijayanagar and Bahmani Empire got independent part of South India. So today we discuss about the Vijayanagar Empire and Bahmani Empire and the greatest ruler of Vijayanagar Empire and Bahmani Empire. So let's start our topic. After the decline of Delhi Sultanate, especially Tughlaq dynasty, an independent kingdom emerged in different part of India, in which two most powerful kingdom emerged in South India. First Vijayanagar Empire and second Bahmani Empire. Vijayanagar Empire laid the foundation by Harihar and Bukka. Bahmani Empire founded by Alauddin Hasan Bahman Shah. This empire was founded by two brothers named Harihar and Bukka. They were the feudatory of Kaktiya of Warangal. They built Vijayanagar. Vijayanagar is known as the city of victories and made it their capital. Time period of Vijayanagar Empire 1336 to 1672 AD. Its capital Vijayanagar, at present Hampi. Large part of South India was under Vijayanagar Empire. So first most important ruler of Vijayanagar, Harihar and Bukka. Harihar second, Devrai first, Devrai second, Karshan Devrai, Achyut Rai and Sadasiv Rai. Karshan Dev Rai was the greatest ruler of Vijayanagar Empire. Karshan Dev Rai annexed Raichur Doab, which is present between the Krishna and Tungabhadra river, from Bahmani Empire. The empire became weak after the death of Karshan Dev Rai. Neighboring kingdom of Deccan, Ahmednagar, Bijapur, Golconda and Bidar joined hand with the Bahmani Empire and defeated the ruler of Vijayanagar Empire. Last ruler Ram Rai in the battle in 1565 in the battle of Talikota. Vijayanagar Empire, the ruler of Vijayanagar Empire struggled between Hoysal of Mysore, king of Madurai, and Bahmani Empire. Dynasty rule between the 1336 to 1672. Sangama dynasty, Salwa dynasty, Tuluva dynasty and Aravidu dynasty. Some foreigners traveled during this time period. Name Ibn Battuta from Morocco, Niccolo di Conti, Italy, Abdur Razak, Persia, Domingo Paz, Portugal. After Karshan-Dev Rai, the Vijayanagar Empire, you see in the red color, this is the Vijayanagar Empire, and this is the Bijapur, Daulatabad, Warangal, Golconda and Hyderabad. Next, Mysore. And in green, this empire was the Bahmani Empire, and in red color, this is Vijayanagar Empire. After the death of Karshan-Dev Rai, some Warangal, Golconda, Hyderabad, Ahmednagar, Daulatabad, Bijapur, all these rulers with the help of Bahmani Empire attack on Vijayanagar and included in the Bahmani Empire. So you can see in green color this is Bahmani Empire, and in red color this is Vijayanagar Empire. 5 sons of Sangama. In first Sangama dynasty rule. After that Slava dynasty, Tuluva dynasty and Arividu dynasty. In this term, Sangama dynasty, the 5 sons of Sangama, out of whom Harihar and Bukka were most famous. Harihar and Bukka were most famous. Harihar and Bukka laid the foundation of Vijayanagar kingdom on the bank of river Tungabhadra. They were feudatories or lord of the Kakatiya of Warangal. Later they were made minister of Kampilli kingdom of modern Karnataka. After destroying Kampilli state, Muhammad Tughlaq had imprisoned both these brothers, and they were released later. With the effort of their guru Vidyaranya, they were purified and they established an independent kingdom, Vijayanagar Empire. Vijayanagar Empire became most powerful empire of South India. Today its capital can be identified from the remain called Hampi. The ruins of Hampi have been recognized as World Heritage Site by UNESCO. Vijayanagar Empire had extended up to sea coast of Ceylon, Sri Lanka. In the map, we see red part of South India is known as the Vijayanagar Empire. First ruler of Vijayanagar Empire was Harihar. Harihar became the king in 1336 AD. He captured Mysore and Madurai. His empire extended from the region south of the river Tungabhadra up to Rameswaram, and he captured all territories of Hoysal in 1346. After Harihar, his brother became the new ruler of Vijayanagar Empire in 1346 AD. He ruled till 1377 AD. He extended Vijayanagar Empire toward the entire South India, Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu and Chera region. After Bukka, his son Harihar II became the new ruler of Vijayanagar Empire. Harihar II was the successor of Bukka. He continued to fight against the Muslim rulers. He was the worshipper of Virupaks. Virupaks is the form of Lord Shiva. He extended Vijayanagar Empire up to South India, including Mysore, Vanara, Tiruchirappalli and Kanchipuram. Devrai first defeated by Bahmani Sultan. After Harihar II, Devrai II became the ruler in 1422 AD. He was the son of Buka, the greatest ruler of Sangama dynasty. He was also known as the Gazbetkar. Devrai II is also known as the Gazbetkar. Gazbetkar means hunter of elephants. In order to comfort the Bahmani Empire, he recruited Muslim for the first time in his army. Means to comfort the Bahmani rulers, he recruit first time in his recruitment Muslims for the first time in his army. And in this period, the boundary of Vijayanagar Empire reached till the seashore of Ceylon, and the last ruler of this empire were Mallikarjun and Virupaksa respectively. So this is about the Vijayanagar Empire. Now we discuss about the Bahmani Sultanate or Bahmani Empire. Bahmani Empire was established by Alauddin Hasan Bahman Shah. Alauddin Hasan is also known as Hasan Gangu. Alauddin Hasan was the servant of Muhammad Tughlaq in 1347. He did so by taking advantage of sympathy of riches in the south and widespread revolt against Delhi Sultanate. He was the descendant of the Turco-Persian Bahman, and after his coronation he assumed the title of Alauddin Hasan Bahman Shah. Means after taking sympathy of Muhammad bin Tughlaq, he became the ruler of Bahmani Empire. Alauddin Hasan Shah, Alauddin Hasan Bahman Shah became the king in 1347 AD. He took the title of Alauddin Bahman Shah. The capital of Bahmani Empire was first Gulbarg and later Bidar. Firoz Shah Bahmani and Muhammad Gawan were most powerful people in the kingdom. Muhammad Gawan was the prime minister in the court of Muhammad Shah III. After the Alauddin Hasan Bahman Shah, next ruler became the Firoz Shah Bahman. He was the very powerful ruler. He conquered Raichur Doab from the king of Vijayanagar Empire. Raichur Doab, which is present between the Krishna river and Tungabhadra river. After Firoz Shah Bahman, his Muhammad Shah III became the ruler of Bahmani Empire, and after Muhammad Shah III, his PM or Wazir became the new ruler of Bahmani Empire, and his name was Mahmud Gawan. He was the Mahmud Gawan. He was the Wazir, PM of Bahmani King Mahmud Shah III. He made the kingdom very powerful. He was a Persian by birth. He came to India and settled down in Deccan. He began working at the royal court, and his spoon became a favorite of the king. For 18 years, he managed affairs of kingdoms. He expanded the kingdom and recognized the kingdom. He built magnificent madrasa in Bidar. This is madrasa is the Moscow, and Bidar is present now in Karnataka, which had a library. The kingdom was witness to continue conflict between two group of nobles. First, Deccani and Pardesi. Deccani, local origin. Pardesi come from Iran, Turkey, Arabia and Central Asia. Muhammad Gawan also Pardesi because he was come from Iran. So these Pardesi oppose the local or Deccani nobles. So in these terms, Deccani and Pardesi nobles conflict between both of them were started. Muhammad Gawan was also Pardesi. He failed to unite both groups. His opponent hatches a conspiracy against him and had him executed in 1481. By the 1527, the kingdom split into 5 independent sultanate. Means the local or Deccani arrested the Mahmud Gawan. And after the Mahmud Gawan, the Bahmani Empire divided into 5 independent kingdoms. First, Ahmednagar, Bijapur, Golconda, Berar and Bidar. Ahmednagar ruled by Nizam Shahis, Bijapur ruled by Adil Shahi, Golconda ruled by Qutub Shahis, Berar ruled by Imdad Shahis, and Bidar by Barid Shahis. So let's talking about according to our book about the Bahmani Empire. The Bahmani Empire was founded by the Hassan. His spell name was Zafar Shah in 1347 AD. Hassan Shah was an officer of Muhammad Tughlaq. Hassan took the advantage of revolt against Tughlaq, and with the help of Amir of South, he laid the foundation of Bahmani Empire in South India. He was the descendant of brave Persian warrior Bahman. He took the title of Alauddin Bahman Shah. At the time of his death, 1358, Bahmani Empire kingdom extend from the Penganga. Penganga is a river. Penganga in the south, in north to Krishna river in south, and Goa in west to Bongir in east. Goa is the state and Bongir is present now in Maharashtra. Western frontier of Vijayanagar bordered Bahmani kingdoms. Both kingdoms, Vijayanagar and Bahmani kingdoms, continued to fight against each other. The issue of gaining victory upon two neighboring forts of Mughdal and Raichur was the bone of the contentions for them. Means Mughdal and Raichur both were the main reason of contention or war within both of them. 9th Bahmani Sultan Ahmad shifted his capital from Gulbarg to Bidar. At the time of Alauddin Hasan Bahman Shah, the capital of Bahmani Empire was Gulbarg, and it changed by 9th Bahmani Sultan Ahmad from Gulbarg to Bidar. Muslims were in minority in Bahmani kingdoms, and many Shia Muslims from foreign land settled here. Due to this, Southern and Abyssinian Sunni Muslim got angry. The third Sultan, 13th Sultan Muhammad III, hanged Muhammad Gawan, who was the loyal servant to the kingdom. After the death of Gawan, Bahmani Empire began to decline. During the reign of last Sultan Mahmud, Bahmani Empire was divided into 5 independent states: Ahmednagar, Barar, Bidar, Golconda. Subedar of these states declared themselves as independent ruler. Russian travelers named Antiochus Nikitin, who traveled through the Bahmani Empire for 4 years. As per him, condition of common people in kingdom was very miserable. So I hope you understand about the Vijayanagar Empire and Bahmani Empire. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay blessed. Stay safe. Thank you.